Hi everyone. Tonight for supper I'll be making ham and cheese pretzel panini. What all goes into the ham and cheese pretzel panini? I'm cutting back on this recipe. I'm only going to be making 3 sandwiches instead of 8. I'll put the original recipe down in the description box below, but I'm going to need 6 slices of deli ham, 16 slices of dill havarti cheese. I couldn't find any havarti cheese, that's hard to say, but I did Google and Munster is supposed to be a good substitute, so I'll be using 6 slices of the Munster cheese. 16 frozen soft pretzels thawed. This is only 6, so it'll make 3 sandwiches. Couldn't find a bigger box at my store. And grainy mustard for dipping. All I have is the horseradish mustard, so that's what we're using. So let's begin. Wet your pretzels with a little bit of water, and then if desired, put on some salt and kind of press it down so it sticks. So this recipe is actually for using a grill to make it a panini. Then you actually use a brick to push it down on. Plug in my panini. The power light is on. We'll turn it to max and let it preheat for a couple of minutes. To make your sandwiches, we're going to lay the salt side down, put 2 slices of ham and 2 slices of the Munster cheese. Then put another pretzel on the top, salt side up. Let's do that again. 2 slices of ham. Pretzel is salt side down. That way when you cook it, it'll be cooking with the salt. 2 slices of the Munster cheese. There's no sauce on the sandwich itself, which I thought was kind of strange. And then put the top salt side up. So the ready light is on. We'll turn it down to medium. That's what we want to cook these at. And you want to lift up your lid carefully. Put your sandwich down and then push it down. We want to cook it for 2 to 3 minutes until the cheese starts to melt. As you can see, the cheese is starting to melt. It's got the little groove lines in it. Use a silicone or wooden tool so you don't ruin the non-stick finish. So here is the ham and cheese pretzel panini. Rounding out the meal is hot honey baked beans. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Well, that's a sandwich with a twist.
That is a ham and cheese pretzel panini.
It is twisted. That's interesting. That's pretty good. It's different to look at. Tastes a little different with the pretzel, but I like it.
And we have horseradish mustard to dip if you want to try it with that.
No, I'm good with this. Thank you. That's really good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.